Food handler's license test, staphylococcal. Food intoxication bacteria carried by human beings. It can be prevented by good personal hygiene and avoiding bare hands with ready-to-eat food, FIFO. First in first out used to implement date products. Rat droppings. Are a critical violation. All refrigerated food except eggs/smoked fish temperature 41°F or below. Poultry, stuffed meat and stuffing temperature 165°F. Biological hazards. Bacteria, viruses, parasites and fungi. Chemical hazards. Pesticide, cleaning agents, prescription medicine. 6 factors that affect growth of bacteria. Food, acidity, temperature danger zone, time, oxygen, and moisture, FATM. All gas-fired water heaters must be installed by a licensed plumber and must be monitored for backdrift. Bathrooms for patrons must be provided if there are 20 seats or more in a dining area. Food for storage must be covered and stored in vermin-proof containers. Viruses. Cannot reproduce in food, rather they use food to get inside the body. For phases of bacteria growth. Lag, log, stationary and death. Seawater intoxication. Occurs during warm weather when red algae is eaten by small fish. Predators then eat the small fish. Humans become sick once they eat the predatory fish. HACCP. It is a system of food safety, which is mainly concerned with control of harmful microorganisms. Smoked fish temperature 38°F or below because of the bacteria Clostridium botulinum. All hot food stored in hot holding unit must be held at 140°F. HACCP and 7 methods of this. Hazard analysis and critical control point. Identify hazard, determine critical control point, set up critical limits, monitor CCP, take corrective actions, verify system is working, and record keeping. Raw shell eggs temperature 45°F. How to avoid E. coli. Cook hamburgers and ground meats at 158°F. Potentially hazardous foods. Any food that supports the rapid growth of microorganisms. The 3 main food hazards. Physical, chemical, biological. Previously cooked and refrigerated foods must be served by rapid reheating of 165°F in a stove or oven. 50 ppm chlorine-based sanitizing solutions. Add 1/2 ounce of bleach to 1 gallon of water and used for soaking utensils. If potentially hazardous food is left for 2 or more hours in the temp danger zone, it must be discarded. Hot foods placed in refrigerator must be covered only if they completely cooled at a temp of 41°F or below. Proper manual dish cleaning. Wash, rinse, sanitize and air dry. Trichinella spiralis. Foodborne parasite found in undercooked pork and can be eliminated by cooking pork to 150 F for 5 minutes. Scombroid poisoning occurs from eating certain fish with high levels of histamines due to time and temperature abuse. Cross-connection can be prevented by installing hosebib vacuum brakes. Wiping cloths must be stored with solution strength of 50 ppm. The most rapid growth of bacteria. Log phase. Anisaki simplex. Foodborne parasite found in marine fish. Physical hazards. Glass fragments, metal, etc. Pathogenic bacteria. No change in appearance, taste, or smell. Salmonella enteritidis. Associated with raw poultry and raw shell eggs. Vacuum packaging of any food product in retail food establishment is prohibited by law unless special authorization is obtained through the Department of Health. Artificial trans fat increases LDL, the bad cholesterol, leading to heart disease. It is banned from all restaurant foods. 100 ppm chlorine-based sanitizing solutions. Add 1 ounce bleach and 1 gallon of water and used for wiping, spraying, or pouring to prevent cross-contamination. Raw food must be placed under cooked food. 3 methods for defrosting frozen foods. Refrigerate them, place under cold water, or microwave oven. Clostridium botulinum caused a disease called botulism. This bacteria is associated with home-canned foods, swollen cans, smoked fish, garlic and IL, and any foods in an anaerobic environment. How to rapid cool foods. Immersion in an ice water bath with stirring. 4-inch swallow cooling pans with product depth of 1 and 2 inches, rapid chill unit, and cut solid foods to smaller pieces. Hepatitis A and norovirus. 2 viruses that typically contaminate our food supply through fecal contaminated waters or food. Air brakes. Must be provided in all culinary and pot/dish washing sinks. Best method to eliminate flies and roaches. Proper cleaning and sanitizing. How to avoid Clostridium perfringens. Rapid cooling, rapid heating, and avoid preparing foods. CCP. Critical control point, any point in the food flow where action must be taken to eliminate hazard. Hot water sanitizing can be done by immersing utensils in water with a temp of 170 F for at least 30 seconds. Eggs, fish, shellfish, lamb, and other meats temperature 140 F. 3 thermometers used for measuring food temperature. Bimetallic stem, 0 to 220, thermocouple, thermistor, digital, atmosphere vacuum breakers. Must be installed in any equipment that has direct connection with potable water supply. Ice machines, coffee machines, dishwashers. Reasons canned products must be rejected. Dents and seams, swelling, severe rust, leakage or no label. Home canned foods are unacceptable. All food must be stored at least 6 inches off the floor.